Watching a movie. Watching a movie is one of my favorite ways to relax after a busy day. I love sitting down with some popcorn and enjoying a good film. Whether it's an exciting adventure movie, a funny comedy, or a touching drama, I always find movies entertaining. I enjoy watching movies with my family or friends, but I also like to watch them alone sometimes. When I watch a movie, I can escape into the world of the characters and forget about everything else for a while. Movies are also a great way to learn about different cultures and experiences. I often pick movies that teach me important lessons or make me think about life in a new way. I like to watch movies in different genres so I can enjoy variety. Sometimes, I even watch documentaries to learn about nature, history, or science. Watching movies helps me relax, laugh, and sometimes even cry. After watching a movie, I like to talk about it with my family or friends and share my thoughts about the story. It's a fun way to connect with others and share opinions. Movies are a great way to enjoy storytelling and feel emotions. I try to watch a new movie at least once a week to keep things interesting. It's an activity that makes me happy and entertained.